Okay, so again, method of moment. Actually, you already learned this kind of ataupun this kind of concept in mathematical statistics. Kita ada moment about the mean, and satu lagi we have moment about the origin. Okay, so if we look at the punya definition, definition for method of moment. Again, suppose that we have, let's say we have a continuous random variable. Okay, and then you have the probability density function. Kita ada unknown parameter. So that means you have theta 1 hat, theta 2, theta k hat, dan seterusnya. Okay. So kalau when we mention about the first k moment, kita ada first moment, second moment, third moment, and so on. So the first k moment of x, if exists, are given by this integral. So what you need is to find the expected value of, let's say, expected value of x to the power j. So that means you will integrate xj times your density function. Okay. So katakan let's say you have expected value of x 1 lah, j kamu 1. So that's mean you will solve x times your fx theta. Okay, dx. Itu first moment kamu. So that's mean kalau kamu, once kamu dah selesaikan dia punya integration, solvekan integration x times your density function, and then last answer tu kamu equatekan dengan this one. 1 over n summation xi to the power j. If your j is equals to 1, so that's mean summation xi over n, which is your x bar. Kalau let's say kita ada dua parameter, x square. Okay. So that's mean kamu ada x square, selesaikan, and then last answer tu kamu akan equatekan dia dengan 1 over n summation xi square. Macam tu. Okay. So ini kita panggil, kita solvekan dia punya parameter tu estimation menggunakan kaedah moment. So yang kamu belajar ni just moment yang paling simple lah, the first method, basic method of your method of moment. Nanti dia banyak-banyak moment, dia ada L moment, LQ moment, PL moment, macam-macam lagi lah So this one is the basic method of your moment. Okay. So if you have a random sample, again fx theta 1, theta 2, theta k, maksudnya dia banyak parameter. So the method of moment estimates theta 1 hat, theta 2 hat, and also theta k hat for the models unknown parameters are the solution of the k simultaneous equation. Okay, maksudnya kita ada again lah, kita integratekan x fx. So 1 over n summation sx. Kamu equatekan dia. Kalau x square, so you have 1 over n summation si square. So kalau ada dua parameter, and then kamu solvekan lah dia punya, macam solvekan persamaan serentak. Lebih kurang lah. Kita gantikan balik. Maksudnya mungkinlah kita perlu gantikan ini first equation, gantikan dalam second equation, and then you solve, you get your theta 1 hat and also your theta 2 hat. So biasanya takat dua parameter je lah untuk kaedah moment ni. Kalau 3, 4 tu maybe you have to do some programming lah. Kalau tidak, jenuh lah kamu nak kira. Okay. So that is the basic concept in moment. So katakan the same thing. Okay. The same set of question, but you can solve two ways. The first one, if you want to find the parameter estimation, you can solve using your MLE, or you can solve using your method of moment. Okay. So let's say if you have fy theta, theta y to the power theta minus 1. So your range 0 and 1. So you want to find the method of moment. So the same step. Okay, kita ada observe sample size equals to 4. So the first step, you want to find expected value, katakan expected value of y. Okay, method of moment, expected value of y. So gantikan, you have y, fy theta, dy. So you solve from 0 up to 1. Okay, kita gantikan 0, 1, y times theta, y, theta minus 1, dy. Okay, so simplify kan. Kamu boleh letak theta kat luar. Okay. 0, 1. Okay, and then you have just y to the power theta. Okay, sebab kita dah cancel y minus 1 dengan y tadi kat depan. Okay, so selesaikan dia punya integration. So you will have theta. Okay, 1 over theta plus 1. Y theta plus 1. Okay, gantikan 0, 1. Okay, gantikan 0, 1. Kita selesaikan. So you just have ini, saya tambah kat sini, expected value of y is just, gantikan satu gantikan 0 and 1. So just have theta over theta plus 1. So this one. So this one you have expected value of y is equals to theta over theta plus 1. Kita tak selesaikan lagi ni. Sebab yang kita nak adalah theta hat. Ini theta hat ni apa? So maksudnya kita tak selesaikan sampai habis lagi. So just find your mean je kat sini. So expected value of y is equals to theta over theta plus 1. So now kita equatekan dengan dia punya y bar lah. Expected value of y. Kalau ikutkan 1 over n summation yi. Sorry. Okay. So just now you have theta over theta plus 1. So summation yi over n is just your y bar. So selesaikan, you have theta equals to theta y bar plus y bar. Okay. So you have theta 1 minus y bar equals to y bar. So you get theta is just y bar 1 minus y bar. So this is your theta head. This is your method of moment. MOM saya letak. MOM, method of moment. Okay. So this is your method of moment. That means theta head equals to y bar over 1 minus y bar. Okay. So since we give you a random sample, okay, kita ada y1, y2, y3, y4. Maksudnya kita nak estimate. Okay, bila mention about estimate, okay, maksudnya kita nak value value dia apa? Dalam bentuk jawapan lah. Okay. So kamu gantikan dia punya tu, dapatkan y bar tu apa? Dia masukkan dalam formula and then you get lah your answer dia theta head in this case. Apa jawapan dia? Okay, selesaikan menggunakan this one lah, y1, y2, y3, y4. So get your y bar, summation all yi divided by n. Okay. Once you get your y bar, solvekan for your theta head. So that is your estimate value. Okay. This one kita selesaikan menggunakan kaedah moment. So kaedah moment, that means first step, find what is your expected value of y. So you get a value theta over theta plus 1. But you didn't solve yet your theta hat. So equate kan. Okay, kaedah moment. First moment saja because we have only a single parameter theta. So summation yi over n. So which is your y bar. Solvekan, dapatkan nilai theta hat. Okay. Any question? Okay kan, boleh. Simple je kan this one?
Doktor.
Ya.
Tadi doktor mention dia first moment sebab ada single parameter of theta. Tapi
Ya,
kalau
betul.
contoh theta kuasa 2, theta kuasa 3, maksudnya kita kena sampai cari ke case moment lah. Oh,
Ya, betul.
faham.
Kita ada first, second, third moment lah. Tapi biasanya 2 parameter je lah. Sebab kalau banyak-banyak tu kamu akan memang kena guna programming lah untuk iteratekan dia, dapatkan dia punya nilai. Okay. Okay, we try the other one. Okay, this one. Cuba buat dulu. Dapatkan, okay, you have your density function, theta exponential negative theta x. Okay. Find the method of moment and then find your MLE. Okay, cuba selesaikan dulu. Okay, dapatkan, gunakan kaedah MLE dulu. Sebab kamu dah biasa dengan kaedah MLE, guna dulu kaedah MLE. Once you already solve your MLE, try to solve this one using method of moment. Okay, once dah siap tu, mungkin boleh share kot solution dalam Telegram, nanti saya postkan.
Okay, saya buat cepat.
Anyone lah, okay. Okay, try dulu on your own dulu. Okay, this one, you have your likelihood function. Ini for MLE dulu Double check dengan kamu jawapan dulu. So, likelihood function, you have product of theta exponential negative theta x. So, you have theta n, exponential negative theta, summation xi. Okay. So, you take your logarithm. So, ln L theta and ln theta minus theta, summation xi. So, set kan equal to 0. Okay, what do you get for your MLE? Dapat apa theta head? Dah dapat ke belum?
1 over mean.
That's correct. Okay, you get your Dapat 1 over S bar Maksudnya kamu akan dapat theta head equals to N over summation SI lah Tapi kita cantikkan lagi, kita simplify kan. So we just write theta head is equals to 1 over X bar. Okay. So itu the first one. Method of MLE. So kalau method of moment, so the same thing, same approach for method of moment. Cuma kita equatekan dengan dia punya nilai min. Kita dapatkan EX. So EX, you just have 0 infinity. Okay, because yang diberi itu adalah X greater than 0. X greater than 0, that means you will integrate from 0 up to infinity. So X fx dx, so X theta exponential negative theta X dx. Okay. So kamu akan selesaikan, you will use your integration by parts
Mimpi ngeri doktor. Saya buat lama doktor.
Apa dia?
Mimpi ngeri saya doktor. Integration by part.
So integration by parts, okay. At the last tu kamu dapat apa? EX ni. EX equals to 1 over?
Negative 1 over theta.
Negatif, ada negatif ke?
Saya dapat negatif doktor.
Oh, bukan negatif, 1 over theta je. Cuba cek salah ke
1 over theta, doktor.
1 over theta je, Iqbal. Cek balik kamu punya integration by parts tu mungkin ada plus minus kot, tersalah kat situ. Okay. You should get, when you solve your integration by parts, so you have EX, integration X times your density function. So when we solve, EX is equals to 1 over theta. So again, kamu equatekan EX, kalau nak tulis dulu ni 1 over n summation xi. Okay. So EX tadi you have 1 over theta. Apa tadi? Okay, x bar is equals to 1 over theta. So that means your theta head again is just 1 over x bar. Okay. So we get the same answer for this one. Apa ni? Okay.
Betul. Saya tadi salah.
Okay. So sometimes, okay. When we use the approach for method of moment dengan method of MLE, sometimes it depend on your function Sometimes kita tak akan arrive to the same solution. Maksudnya theta head tu it can be anything lah. Okay. Theta head in this, bukanlah it can be anything. Maksudnya kat sini, because we have this density function, you will have your MLE is equals to your parameter estimation that you solve using MLE is the same thing as your method of moment. Okay, tapi itu tak semestinya. Okay, ada juga fungsi di mana bila kita solve method of moment tu jawapannya berbeza daripada method of MLE. Okay, nanti kita akan compare lah pula which estimator is the best. So that's why kita ada properties of estimator. Kamu ada nanti kita ada unbiased estimator, kita ada efficient, consistent estimator and so on. Itu properties of your estimator. Ini just kamu nak solvekan kamu punya function using either MLE or method of moment. Okay, biasanya kalau comparison tu dia akan melibatkan simulated data. Lepas tu baru kamu boleh compare lah which method is the best. Okay, kita akan compare dia punya variance and so on. Okay. Tapi kita tak go too deep lagi yang tu Yang tu nanti. Next lah. Next. Tapi tak adalah sampai simulated data. Okay.
Doktor.
Ya. Yeah.
Boleh tak saya nak tengok slide yang tadi balik?
Mana dia? Example 1.8 kah? This one mana?
Doktor yang ni.
So that's mean this one kamu solvekan guna likelihood function dulu. Okay. Ambil ln. Okay, setkan dapatkan derivative dia, setkan equal to 0. So then get lah theta head equals to 1 over x bar. Okay, kalau tidak ini theta head kamu akan dapat sini je. Theta head n over summation si. Lepas tu kita cantikkanlah lagi. Kita ada summation si over n. So that's why kita dapat 1 over x bar. Okay. Boleh? Okay, we go to the last example. Okay, example 1.9 for this section. Okay, saya go. Okay. So this one you have two parameter. Okay, kamu nak dapatkan theta 1 dengan theta 2. Okay. So again, kalau let's say if you look at this distribution, again this one is also uniform distribution. Okay, uniform distribution ni dia depends pada dia punya range. It can be lah any density function this one, any value for density function. Tapi semua tu bergantung pada kamu punya range. Konsep dia 1 over B minus A. So this is your B, this is your A. Kalau ini minus ni, that's mean you have lah 1 over 2 theta 2. Okay. So you want to find using the method of moment. Okay. Ini panjang sikit lah. Okay, let's say first step. Okay, expected value of y dulu. Okay, kita dapatkan dia punya first theta 1 hat tu. First moment. So the same thing. Kamu ada 1 over 2 theta 2 dy. Sorry. Y dah tertinggal. Okay, y times your density function. So katakan y kat sini. Darabkan 1 over lah. 1 over 2 theta 2. Kita nampak dengan tulis. Okay, you have y. 1 over 2 theta 2 dy. Okay, range theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. Kita nak selesaikan. So that's mean you have 1 over 2 theta 2. So you just integrate y dy. Okay, constant saya letak kat luar. Okay, selesaikan. You have 1 over 2 theta 2. Okay, y square. Y square over 2. Okay, theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, boleh nampak eh? Okay, 1 over 2 theta 2. Okay, integrate y. So y square over 2 daripada theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2. So now kita substitute. Simplify kan. Okay, first find your expected value of y. Y times your density function. Selesaikan solve the integration from theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2 is your range. Okay. So this one expected value of y. So once dah gantikan, you will have 1 over 4. Okay. For theta 2, this one. Okay. Y square. So that's mean you have theta 1 plus theta 2 square. Theta 1 minus theta 2 square. This one. Okay. Gantikan nilai. Okay. Simplify kan. Simplify kan. Expand and then simplify kan. Cross out apa the common term. And then last. Last dapat apa?
Pi 1 over 2.
Pi 1 over 2. Cek balik Iqbal. Yang pada ini je. Theta 1.
Ya Allah. Saya salah lagi.
Okay, let's mistake lah. Okay, so the answer should be, jangan tersilap ini theta subscript tu, bukannya theta square. Kan tersalah pula tu. Okay. Theta subscript semua theta subscript 1, theta subscript 2. Okay, so you simplify, you get expected value of y is equals to theta 1. Okay. So now, kita dah tahu expected value of y is just your y bar. So that's mean the first theta 1 head is your y bar. So this is your first answer. Okay, method of moment. So if you have an observed sample, complete lah what is your y bar. Okay. So that is the first part expected value of y. Cuma jangan careless mistake lah, masukkan, gantikan, simplify. Okay, second expected value of y square. So kalau second moment, y kamu square kan? So the same thing. Y square Fy. Okay. Tadi saya tulis apa? Fy je. Fy je lah. Okay. Dy. Okay, that means you have theta 1 minus theta 2. Theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay. So that means you will have y square over 2 theta 2 dy. Okay, cuba simplify kan. So ni kita ada apa? 1 over 2 theta 2 and then y cube So y cube over 3. Lepas tu kamu gantikan dia punya nilai dia. Okay, cuma ini melibatkan kuasa 3 lah. Okay, theta 1 plus theta 2 cube over 3 minus theta 1 minus theta 2 cube over 3. Okay, dah percaya dengan saya punya jawapan? Cuba selesaikan, gantikan dia punya nilai. Okay. Okay, substitute. Okay, you get expected value of y square. Gantikan nilai. Okay, you should get yang last tu 1 over 6 theta 2. 6 theta 2 theta 1 square plus 2 theta 2 cube. Patutnya dapat this one, expected value of y square. Okay, kalau let's say simplifykan. Okay, ini theta 2, so this one apa? Theta 1 square plus theta 2 square over 3. Okay, so kalau kita cancel out 6 tu lah ya. Okay, ini ya. So kamu gantikan expected value of y square. So y square times your density function. Okay. So selesaikan integration y square over 2 theta 2. So 1 over 2 theta 2 y cube over 3. Ini gantikan theta 1 plus theta 2 cube over 3 minus theta 1 minus theta 2 cube over 3. So expand sikit lah. Expand kan. Baru kamu boleh simplifykan this one. So faktorkan. So you have theta 1 square plus theta 2 square over 3. Okay, sekarang ni kamu nak dapatkan dia punya ni. Expected value of y square is just your summation yi square over n. Okay, theta 1 kita dah tahu. Okay, kita nak dapatkan theta 2 hat berapa. Okay, kalau kamu samakan dia, expected this one, so theta 1 square plus theta 2, okay, samakan dengan yi square over n. Okay, so katakan ini semua dulu. Okay. Saya buat sini. Okay, so theta 1 kita dah tahu ya. Theta 1 is your, theta 1 hat is your y bar. Okay, so theta 2 square. Okay. Kita buat ni dulu. Okay, ya, 3. Okay. So you will have, katakan let's say, kita gantikan ini hat. Okay. So that means square root. So 3 summation yi square over n. Ini dia akan jadi, dah kecil sangat. Okay, sekejap. Okay, kamu akan gantikan balik . So once you already have your theta 2 square equals to 3 summation yi square over n minus theta 1 square tu kamu gantikan balik. Theta 1 kita adalah y bar. So that means the last answer dia should be theta 2 hat square root, okay, 3 summation yi square over n y bar square. So this is your value. Okay. Yeah, saya go back. So first, you expand the value yang tadi tu. Okay. So you already have expected value of y square, theta 1 square plus theta 2 square over 3. So we know that from the method of moment, second moment, y square, so summation yi square over n. So gantikan, equatekan dia. So yang kamu nak selesaikan adalah theta 2. Okay, theta 2 square equals to 3, bracket semua ni. So selesaikan theta 2 hat. So just replace by theta 1 square tu just sebagai, theta 1 tu sebagai y bar. So y bar square. This one. So again, give us a value. Kamu nak estimate. So kamu gantikanlah yi tu apa, y bar tu apa. So selesaikan, then you get a single value.